Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The diagnostic trouble code P05CC-00 indicates a cold start variable timing control A system malfunction in the Honda CR-V model year 2023 and beyond. This code generally points to a detected issue involving the variable timing control VTC system that manages the camshaft phase. The Powertrain Control Module, PCM, is responsible for regulating this system, ensuring the camshaft is properly adjusted based on engine conditions to optimize performance and emissions. If the PCM identifies that the phase difference between the control command and the actual phase of the intake camshaft is outside the specified range, it stores this DTC as a sign of malfunction. Therefore, a thorough understanding of the engine mechanics and electrical systems is essential for accurate troubleshooting. The error described by DTC P05CC-00 directly involves the variable timing control system, which plays a crucial role in engine efficiency and performance. The intake camshaft's phase is adjusted by this system, affecting how the engine breathes and operates across different RPMs. Specifically, the VTC adjusts the timing of the intake valves, which significantly influences fuel efficiency and emissions. The abnormally detected phase difference indicated by this DTC means that either the control command from the PCM is not being executed as required, or the sensors are providing inaccurate data about the camshaft's actual position. The PCM, located typically in the engine compartment, manages this entire process, and any interruption in its communication with the VTC system could lead to this error being flagged. Several potential causes can lead to the P05CC-00 error being triggered, starting with a faulty VTC system itself. This could mean internal mechanical issues within the variable timing assembly that physically adjusts the camshaft phase. Additionally, wiring issues, such as frayed or shorted cables, could disrupt the connection between the VTC system and the PCM, leading to communication errors. Furthermore, a defective PCM, while less common, could also be a root cause if the module is unable to correctly interpret or send the control command to the VTC system. Each of these components plays an integral role in the proper function of the engine, which is why thorough diagnostic testing is essential to isolate the issue accurately. When the P05CC-00 DTC is present, drivers may experience various symptoms that indicate an underlying issue. Poor engine performance is often noticeable, especially during cold starts, where the vehicle may hesitate or struggle to accelerate as designed. Additionally, increased emissions can result from improper timing adjustments, leading to potentially failing emission tests. The vehicle's onboard diagnostic system will typically trigger a check engine light, alerting the driver to the presence of this fault code. Owners might also notice changes in engine idle quality, rattling, or unusual noises if mechanical failures within the VTC system are present. Each symptom signals the need for immediate attention to avoid further complications. The first step in troubleshooting the P05CC-00 involves turning the vehicle to the off/lock mode. This initial procedure helps ensure that all systems are reset and ready for a thorough diagnostics check. After placing the vehicle in off mode, it is crucial to allow the vehicle to soak for at least 6 hours. This soaking time allows engine components to cool down, enabling a more accurate assessment of any cold start issues that may affect variable timing control. Once this soaking period passes, the next action is to start the engine and let it idle for at least 4 seconds. This quick idle check is important as it allows the system to reset and monitor for potential DTCs that may have been previously flagging as a result of cold start conditions. In the second step of the troubleshooting process for DTC P05CC-00, a test drive is essential. This involves driving the vehicle at a steady speed between 25 to 75 miles per hour for at least 15 seconds. Maintaining this consistent speed allows for a proper assessment of how the engine and the VTC system function under load. During this test drive, the PCM can evaluate the performance data and any adjustments being made by the VTC system in real time. After completing the drive, it's necessary to check if any new DTCs are stored besides the existing P05CC-00 code. This process helps to determine whether other related issues are present that might not have been apparent during idle checks. The third troubleshooting step requires holding the engine speed at 3,000 RPM without any load, either in the park or neutral position. This step is critical as it allows for the monitoring of the VTC adjustments to ensure they react appropriately under higher RPMs. It's advisable to keep the engine at this speed until the radiator fan activates. The fan activation indicates that the cooling system is engaging, which can signify that the engine has reached a predefined temperature necessary for various auto functions. After the fan comes on, it's important to let the engine return to idle, allowing the diagnostic system to re-evaluate the camshaft position and the corresponding adjustments made by the VTC system. Once repairs related to the P05CC-00 have been conducted, it's essential to carry out a final verification to confirm all systems are functioning as intended. Initially, check that no DTCs are present, including both old codes and any new ones triggered during the troubleshooting process. Following this, inspect the vehicle's performance, focusing on areas like acceleration, idling, and any abnormal noises that might indicate unresolved issues. A comprehensive drive test should be performed under various conditions, assessing engine response and behavior. This step confirms that the repairs resolve the original issues and ensures the vehicle meets operational standards. Furthermore, confirm that the VTC system is managing the camshaft phase correctly to prevent recurring errors. To prevent the recurrence of issues related to DTC P05CC-00, regular maintenance of the variable timing control system is essential. Owners should make it a habit to inspect this system as part of routine engine maintenance. Keeping the engine in optimal health through regular oil changes, timing belt inspections, and overall tune-ups contributes significantly to the longevity of the VTC system. Furthermore, periodic inspections of the wiring related to both the VTC system and the PCM can help catch potential issues before they lead to fault codes like P05CC-00. It's also beneficial for vehicle owners to familiarize themselves with their engine's performance, being alert to any changes that could indicate a need for further investigation. In conclusion, understanding the implications of diagnostic trouble code P05CC-00 can help vehicle owners and technicians identify issues in the variable timing control system effectively. Following the detailed troubleshooting steps outlined provides a systematic approach to diagnosing and repairing the problem accurately. It is equally important to maintain the vehicle proactively, ensuring periodic checks on the VTC system and overall engine health to prevent similar issues from reoccurring. A well-maintained vehicle not only performs better, but also minimizes unexpected repairs and enhances the driving experience. Keeping safety and performance in mind, being informed and diligent is key in vehicle maintenance. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.